Choosing the right windows can make a noticeable difference in how comfortable, efficient, and attractive your home feels. Double-hung windows continue to be one of the most popular window styles because they combine classic design with modern performance. For homeowners in Austin, double-hung windows offer practical benefits that suit the local lifestyle while enhancing both interior comfort and curb appeal. Versatile ventilation for everyday comfort. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their ability to improve airflow. With two operable sashes, homeowners can open the bottom sash to let fresh air in or open the top sash to release warm air. Opening both sashes creates natural air circulation throughout the room. In Austin homes, where warm weather is common, this flexible ventilation helps keep indoor spaces feeling fresh and comfortable. Energy efficiency that supports savings. Modern double-hung windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Insulated frames, advanced glass options, and tight seals help reduce heat transfer and prevent air leaks. For Austin homeowners, energy-efficient windows help maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduce reliance on cooling systems, which can lead to lower energy bills over time. Classic style that enhances curb appeal. Double-hung windows feature a timeless design that complements a wide range of architectural styles. Their clean lines and balanced proportions make them suitable for both traditional and contemporary homes. Across Austin neighborhoods, double-hung windows enhance curb appeal by adding a polished and cohesive look to home exteriors. Easy maintenance and cleaning. Double-hung windows are known for their ease of maintenance. Many designs allow the sashes to tilt inward, making it simple to clean both sides of the glass from inside the home. For Austin homeowners, this convenience reduces the time and effort needed to keep windows looking clean and well-maintained. Improved noise reduction. Modern double-hung windows provide effective sound insulation. Multi-pane glass and tight seals help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. In busy Austin areas, this noise reduction adds to overall comfort and peace of mind. Safe and family-friendly design. Double-hung windows offer safety features that are especially appealing for families. Opening the top sash allows ventilation while keeping the lower sash closed, which can be safer for homes with children or pets. Austin homeowners appreciate this balance of airflow and safety. Long-term durability and value. Built with durable materials, modern double-hung windows resist warping, cracking, and wear. Their reliable performance reduces the need for frequent repairs or replacement. For Austin homes, this durability adds long-term value and makes double-hung windows a smart investment. A practical window choice for Austin homes. Double-hung windows offer a blend of style, comfort, and performance that fits a wide range of home designs. From improved ventilation and energy efficiency to easy maintenance and timeless appeal, they provide lasting benefits. For Austin homeowners, installing double-hung windows is a practical upgrade that enhances daily living and long-term home value.